Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ABRP for EV route planning in the USA. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the ABRP app or website on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. On the home screen, select the Plan a Trip option. Enter your starting location in the From field. Input your destination in the To field. Choose the proper vehicle from the drop-down menu to ensure accurate range calculations. Set your desired departure and arrival times if applicable. Adjust any route preferences, such as using highways or avoiding tolls. Enable charging stops to ensure you are routed through charging stations. Click on the Plan Route button to generate your route. Review the suggested route on the map interface. Check the estimated travel time and charging stops along the way. Tap on a charging stop to see details such as the station type and charging speed. If necessary, modify any part of the route by dragging points on the map. Save your planned trip by selecting the Save option. Consider sharing the route with someone if needed. Review again for any last-minute changes before you start your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.